You got to press this down.
Press it down.
Countdown one more time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know what people live there.
Why do I feel like you're lying to me? Okay, you gotta press this down. Yeah, make sure it lights up. Press it down. Okay, no, hold it down. You gotta hold it down. Domingo, look. You gotta hold this down. Otherwise, you're gonna get no power. Hold this down, and then when it gets to 0, keep it. But you gotta keep that pressed.
Oh, sorry, I gotta keep it pressed, right?
Domingo, hold it this way.
That way.
Press with this one. All right, countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hold it down. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah, go get it. Make sure it's not
I saw it.
Major failure.
5,
behind you,
3, 2, 1.
Oh, nice.
Yeah!
All right. That was awesome. That's what I'm talking about.
Great. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hold it.
Word, idiot!
Where'd it go?
What engine was that?
That was a B. No, you got to keep this one down. When we get to 0, you got to hold that down until it lights up. Okay, here we go. Okay. You have the perfect, you have it lit up right now. When we get to 0, you hold this one down until the engine fires. You let go. Okay, guys, let me count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hit it. Nice! Look at that! Woo! Dude, that, that was awesome. You see how perfect that was?
Woo!
That was perfect. All right, 3. I'm sorry, let's do it. Countdown, 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
That looks so cool.
Fire!
Whoa, there it goes.
It's not opening yet.
Come on!
Oh, no. Right on time. Right on.
All right. Hold it down. All right, here we go. Give me a countdown, guys.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's see if it works. That would have been awesome with a beat. Oh, what happened?
I knew that. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! Come on! It's coming!
Yeah!
Oh my God! You're not getting it back, Louis!
Louis, stop!
You're not gonna get it! Oh my God! That sucks! That sucks! That's fine. Somebody go get it!
Like a new helicopter.
3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Man, a little more.
Let's go get
It was
it.
the closest yet.
I'll go
Man, a
get it.
little more time. And what?
Okay, Leah.
2, 1. Blast off!
What the hell? Who's up with that?
Shantia, fix the ring on that.
Mine blew the best.
That looks so good. What happened?
That was awesome.
Elizabeth, have you tried your last
2, 1. Blast off!
Oh, look at that. There we go. Come on.
Somebody run and get it! Wait, I want to get a run! Oh my God! 3, 2, 1! Blast off!
Who is it? Where'd it go? I guess.
Alright, let's go get it.
Oh shit.
That's yours?
Shit sucked.
Alright. Mine's is actually gonna probably
It's okay,
fire.
mine flew well, right?
See how deep they have the parachute in there.